Hi, what is the most exciting part of learning? It pushes us to go beyond and make an impact in whatever we do. Learning is an endless process which leads to success and accomplishment. But how do you find the right spot for learning? What are the best ways to explore the buzzing trends? And most importantly, how to make an impact? Worry not, you are where you are needed to be. We have a learning bootcamp where you can learn, network and grow your business in 2023. LearnFlux is a 3 days learning event for learning champions to explore by networking with leaders of multinational companies. We cover a number of topics that range from rapid e-learning to blended learning, design to development, trends to technology and much more. Register today and get benefits of everything that is displayed on the screen. Be ready to upgrade yourself on this March 21st to 23rd. See you online. Do not forget to register, link in the description.